Part 5. You will find this on page 132 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to succeeds. I'm going to look at a few examples, and all that we're going to do is to quickly classify it. Is it like percentage sums 1 or percentage sums 2? So let's just go back to our table. Okay, here is our table. So we will call it method 1 if we express one quantity as a percentage of another. We will call it method 2 if we are finding a percentage of a quantity. So basically, before you start doing the sum, just classify the sum. Is it like 1 or is it like 2? Okay, I want you to do for me, we're just going to do 5a, 6a, and 7a. Now, all that I want you to do is first, am I making a percentage or am I using a percentage like method 2? So let's just write it here. If it's method 1, then I'm making a percentage. And then method 2, I'm using a percentage. And then try to do the sum. Okay, you can stop the video and do the sums, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. So, let's start. Let's start with number 5a. Write the first quantity as a percentage of the second quantity. Correct to 1 decimal place if necessary. So, can you see? We are making a percentage. It's like method 1. So, basically, we're just going to say it's 5 out of 10. So, 5 of 10. So basically we would just say 5 divide 10, and to make it a percentage I multiply by 100%, and that will give me an answer of 50%. If I look at number 6, let's do number 6a. Okay, let's first identify, is it making a percentage or using a percentage? So find the value of the following. 20% of 750 Namibian dollar. So what do? I use a percentage. It's like method 2. So basically, I will just say 20 out, I divide by 100, and then I multiply with the 750. And that will give me an answer of 150 Namibian dollar. And then the final one, let's look at the final one. That's 7a. Write the first quantity as a percentage of the second quantity, correct to 1 decimal place if necessary. So it's again making a percentage. So basically all that I'm going to do, so it's just 150 kilogram of 1 ton. Now can you still remember the table? Let's just write down the table. It was ton, kilogram, gram, milligram. And then can you remember? There was 1,000, 1,000, and 1,000. And going to this side, it was multiply, and going back, it was divide. So if I want to make a ton to kilogram, I will multiply by 1,000. So it's actually 150 kilogram of 1,000 kilogram. So to make this a percentage, I will say 150 divide by 1,000, and then I'm just going to multiply by 100. And that will give me an answer of 15%. So this was just to help you to identify, is it like method 1 sums, making a percentage, or method 2, using a percentage.